Greetings, VAC fans. Got this Hoover Windtunnel 3 high performance. I'll let you figure out where it came from, but it's not mine. And we're going to take a look at some sand in the carpet. If you're not familiar with this, I go and measure out, and I've already pre-measured it, 100 millimeters of sand, put it in the carpet, do 10 full cycles, that is 10 forward, 10 rearward, and then we see what kind of percentage we actually pick up. So I've already reset this carpet, and actually I pre-vacuumed with this and other vacuums to make sure that there was absolutely no sand in the carpet whatsoever. And what's so cool is because it's red, it's kind of easy to tell if there is anything residual in there. So let's see what we can do. Now I have a Windtunnel Max that is very similar to this one, but it's much older. And it did pretty well because it's got a fairly aggressive brush roll. So this one has pretty good suction, and the highest airflow I've personally ever measured with a bagless. Rounded, it's about 66 CFM. Bye-bye sand. So let's see what this does. And away we go. Alright, quick pre-look, pre-examination. Is there any sand in there? Oh, I see some. It's in the back. There it is. It's piled up in the back. Alright, I can't do this one-handed, so when we resume, we'll have some sand recovered on the paper. Alright, I've dumped everything I can onto the paper. See, we've got some excess carpet fluff bonus material. Get rid of that. Again, this is a very aggressive brush roll. I am expecting it to do pretty well. I think that's a pretty good pickup. So let's see what this does. Will it be 40%? 50%? Let's find out. Alright, I'm imminently about to go and use the funnel and put it back into the straw to go and measure, but there's the pile that's consolidated. Now you notice there's some particles in there, I hope you can see that, that's not red sand. It's just kind of general grit. And I'm probably going to end up with results that are going to be somewhat higher than they should be. I don't know if it's going to be like 5 millimeters more, maybe 10 millimeters more, because I don't have anything where I can really separate out that grit that's in there, even though obviously I pre-vacuumed the carpet as much as I could. And let's face it, that you could have some gritty items still stuck in the cyclones, no matter how well I clean them, or stuck in the tubes or brush roll or something like that, even though I use this to pre-vacuum. So let's see what it does. It looks like it's going to have a great result. Okay, Hoover Windtunnel 3 fans. We have an all-time winner here, more or less. I'm looking at about 83% or 83 millimeters recovered from this Windtunnel 3. But take a look at the quality I recovered, right? You can see that there's a bonus material in there. So I did the best to reset my carpet, and we still got a little bit of extra grit and stuff like that. See that light brown in there? And also the little shiny stuff that isn't necessarily sand. So maybe subtract 5 millimeters or something, but still easily the best bagless pickup system in my collection. Haha, not really my collection. It'll be collected from West Virginia at some point in time. but really, really fabulous performance. However, just realize, right, the price to be paid for this performance with this really aggressive brush roll is you're going to pick up a lot of carpet fluff. But if you have a lot of grit and sand you've got to get out of the carpet, you want a bagless machine, yeah, you're going to be hard pressed to find anything better than this. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Just when you thought the video was over, I went ahead and did another 10 passes just for the heck of it, and that's the result of 20 full passes. That is 20 forward and 20 backwards. So let's actually add this in and see what it does. All right, we're looking at about 89 millimeters pickup, and that's after 20 full cycles. 10 forward, 10 backward for set number 1, and 10 forward and 10 backward for set number 2 added together. However, if you take a look at the quality of what I picked up, it's kind of dirty. So I'd probably subtract 5 or 10 millimeters from this total. However, that still means, however you want to count it, that this machine right here does an excellent job picking up all kinds of sand and grit. But the downside is it definitely picks up loose carpet fibers. You get an awful lot of that in there as well. So if you don't have delicate carpet, but you need to pick up an awful lot of sand, yeah, I can definitely recommend this. Thanks for watching.